Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll first confirm prerequisites so you don't stall mid-process. Make sure the mouse is physically connected and powered. If wireless, swap batteries and repair. Once done, sign in with an administrator account and verify Windows updates are current so drivers install cleanly. Open Device Manager and expand mice and other pointing devices. This is where the HID-compliant entry will appear. Start by identifying the exact device name. That tells you whether Windows already recognizes a HID-compliant mouse. Now you'll replace or select the HID-compliant driver manually so input behaves predictably. Right-click the device in Device Manager and choose Update Driver, then browse My Computer for drivers and select Let me pick from a list of available drivers. Locate and choose HID-compliant mouse, then install. Make sure to follow prompts and reboot if Windows requests it. If the option isn't visible, use Action right arrow scan for hardware changes, and confirm your USB or Bluetooth adapter appears and functions. Finish by testing basic behaviors: pointer movement, click response, scroll wheel and button mapping in settings, right arrow devices, right arrow mouse. If problems persist, uninstall the HID-compliant entry in Device Manager and restart Windows so the OS redetects and reinstalls the driver automatically. Make sure to update, or, if a recent update broke things, roll back the USB or Bluetooth adapter driver. This one-step fix often resolves conflicts. If you still have trouble, try a different port or a second computer to isolate hardware versus software.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.